Hey guys, this is Smith here with Sea Hunt Boats. Today we're going to walk through something that we've gotten a lot of questions about, how to pair your phone to the JL Audio head unit. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to the source button here in the bottom left, click that and toggle to where it says Bluetooth. Select that, you'll see a screen here that says it is in pairing mode. Next thing you're going to want to do is get your phone out and go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone. At the bottom you will see JLA Media Master come up as other devices. You're going to want to click on that and wait. What you'll see is a number come up. You want to make sure that that number matches the number on your head unit. On the head unit you want to toggle over to the button that says confirm and press confirm, and on your phone you're going to want to press pair. And after that you're good to go. From there, if you ever wanted to delete a device, all you would do is through the Media Master click back menu and toggle down to where it says delete a paired device. Click on that and delete the device that you want to unpair from the Media Master.